Hi, it's Kim Zoller with ID360. Some of you may have read my blog on Friday about your brand and how we leave people with a feeling. So, for so many years, we've talked about personal branding and really helped people map out a very tactical way to get across your brand. And this is something that is just has become so clear to me in the last few weeks, especially after coaching a really special client. And that is, what feeling are you leaving people with? How are they feeling better about themselves when they're with you? Are they feeling more confident? Are they feeling like they know what they're doing? Are they feeling good? Are they feeling a feeling of trust? What is it that they're actually feeling? So I can say I want my brand to be one that is, I'm the expert. I am passionate about what I do. I am fun to have around. I'm a thinker. I'm a researcher. So I can think about all those things, and yet they're all about me. And the question is, yes, I want to be all of that. They're all aspirational for me. Most of all, I want to say, well, if that is my brand, you as my stakeholder, you have to feel a certain way about all of those things. And otherwise, my brand is lost. So I want you on this Wednesday wiring to think about what it is, what's your brand, and how are you trying to make people feel, and are you doing it consistently, and are you doing it with intentionality every single day? Have the very best day.